My team and I are always doing everything we can to continue our education, both from a legal point of view through continuing legal education events to technology, which plays an incredible role today in our practice. We are at the forefront of technology. We are using AI. We are using really some of the best practice software that's available to us today to enhance the client's experience, to ensure data security, to make sure that clients have private portals that are secure to both communicate with us securely without other people getting in and eavesdropping, and to transmit sensitive data. These are important things that we're doing that a lot of attorneys are not quite there yet. So we take a really proactive approach in not only educating ourselves as attorneys and keeping up on the law, but also as business owners and people who find technology not only to be incredibly interesting, but a valuable tool. And by being cutting edge with the technology, it creates a better environment by which we can learn from our clients and educate our clients. Our firm has a written process for pretty much every procedure. If it doesn't exist, it's being created, and it's always being honed and improved. And that's not what every attorney will do. Oftentimes, attorneys will kind of follow the same mundane process that they've been doing over and over again. I see it all the time. I call it Mad Libs law, which as a kid, you had a book that you would put in a noun and an adjective, and you would tell a story and you would add that noun and adjective to. Well, that's how a lot of people will handle, let's say, estate planning. They cut and paste into these series of documents to come up with a Mad Libs estate plan. We take a much different approach. We go back to that collaborative, what's important, what are the pain points of the client, and how do we overcome those pain points? And we have a process by which we can take them through that estate plan or that divorce or that real estate transaction that ensures consistency from start to finish, much like you would go to McDonald's and get a cheeseburger in Fall River and get the same cheeseburger in Newburyport, and it is the same. We try to deliver that same consistency across practice areas for each of our clients. And when we get a win or we get a positive result, we can point to our process and say, ooh, it was because of this part of the process. And of course, if something breaks down, which happens in all practices, we can identify where it broke down in the process and we can address it and improve that process. So our practice is always evolving based on our process improvement and how we consistently try to deliver those results to our client. I love working with my younger clients. They're a lot of fun. They bring an energy and a vibrance to the table that's unlike anything else. It's great. And my younger clients are coming to me more educated, more in touch with technology, and easier in many ways to deal with than some of the older clients that are a little bit slower with the technology. And they love some of our processes. They love our texting, our ability through our secure portal. They love the video that we use, that our meetings are often done on Zoom. They love some of our online presence. And the fact that we can relate to them through these media and social media events creates a bond with us, which, despite the fact that I'm a little older than they are, they tend to really like. And I, to them, are more of a guide and hopefully someone that they can look up to and seek wisdom from the experience and years of practice that we offer, but not be so far removed from where they are in their life because I'm not that far off from where they are. And by meeting those clients where they are, they seem to really like it. And the common bond is the technology and use of technology that we have and interest in technology. And that's one of the greatest parts of dealing with some of our younger clients. And I learn a lot from them and find that they're often great partners in coming to the best solution possible.